this is Bonnie, and I'm coming back to you with another quick tip for Monday's quick tip and tricks. Now, I have ink on my hand because I just got done cleaning that rose stamp, and while I was doing it, I was like, oh, I should show them the tip that I do. So don't mind the pink ink that I have on my hands. But say I'm stamping away, and you know how you get a little ink on the side of your hand or wherever, and now you have this ink on you, and you go and you wipe it off, but then it still transfers to paper, and you're like, oh, anything I touch now is going to have that ink on it. Well, if you take some hand Sanilizer, that's why I always keep it in my room, and you just pump a little bit on it like this, and you get that ink. It doesn't take it away. It doesn't like remove it. Like, that's why I still have this pink on here. But see how it fades it? So now I can go pick up a good piece of cardstock and I can touch it. And it is not spreading that ink all around. I always have hand sanitizer at my craft tables and my desk for when I am doing workshops, because if the ladies touch them, because especially beginners, they're going to touch the inks. They're going to close them wrong. They're going to, whatever. They're going to end up with ink on their hands, just like we did when we first started. So you need to have this there, and then you tell them, just take a couple pumps, wipe it, give them a paper towel, they'll have it off, and then when they go to touch the card with their hand, I mean, this is the finger that I had, there's no green on there, but my finger's got a little green stain there. It did not pass over. So that is my quick tip for today. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.